Zomwe. Okay. Just wait a minute. I'll call you. Yeah. Yeah. Muribanji.
So ndi kumbukira? Zona?
Zona ndabwera.
Okay, nene ndikukumbuka. Ndikukumbuka kwambiri ndipo sikula ngisaso. Ndipo ndasangana nami ndakupeza. Pade ndimafuna kumpeza ndikomwe kodi ndiye mweyoti. Munga menda kuona. Ndasangana la.
Koma ndakumana kuti. Cause Panogo, this is right shower, so I'm going out.
I know it's lunch hour.
Okay.
Umoja zimeenda mwenda ile yone. Naka mwenda bila banja kuna sigati.
You see, in the kind of business, is up to basic when a pencil. Okay, I'm fine.
Binayo je? Nini ngayako? Ndi mimba yako. Nina kwanza kuzuka ndi mimba yako uziwe. Uone sitipanga bwanji. Nangafika tutanya mwana ndi wako. Ndiye kuti mwina uone ndi kufanya bwana. Edu.
Are you okay?
What?
Are you okay?
Of course I'm okay. Chakuta njana mene baba. Nduguza ndi mimba yako undikusa you okay. Zona?
Ndi udabwa because chiyambire siku la masine sinakuone.
Yo utakwejali. Basi wengine baba ngazeje. Vena banga ndimona ngazeje.
Undizwa kuno bwile. Undizwa kuno bwile.
I'm the right person. Inende kuzanjiweyo. Ndege yose kanjikana sona.
I think you're sogoneza. It's not me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry and sorry. It's not me.
No. Sindi sogoneza. Ndiweyo ndo mutake ndiweyo. Basi nikulapi sasa sona. Nikolenda kusati. Njeni mimba yako ngozo.
Dinding kasi. And I'm sure you could.
Nifanye nakupa empathy mtaji yaka ndani. Pano bafuna uzinda kwanza kupanda pale. That's what fun. Mimba ndi yako. Who's this person? Uyuyu ndani. Usione ndio mbuzi.
Ichi unachipesa bwana.
Ngumu kwenda kuona kuti. Iwe
Ichi unachipesa bwana. Ichi unachipesa kuti.
Unafia tu murumu. Murumu menda kuona iwe ndine. Unafia chimene choni. That's why inaenda kupanga cake kukupeza. Ndipo nazo kuti ndi kumalo kweni kolondola. Ndipo ndakupeza ndiwe.
I think njira yabo ino ndiyimbira polisi chifukwa kunyumba kwanga kuna bedo inclusive this.
Wewe ndio mbodzo wewe. Ndio katakwe. Aisenga tena zolowela wapeleka mimba kwanza. Mpaka jesi nene ndikuze. Wam. Ndati simu yako. Kuti wapeleka mimba kwa sikana, ukumakana. Ndende sindika kazi. Iwe ndo ndikwa. Iwe.
You mean you're serious?
I am. As serious as you went bed.
I don't know you. I'm sorry. It's not me.
No.
I don't know you. Serious, I don't know you. I don't know you.
Suma said 1 + 1 answer to 2. You don't know what?
I think you.
Upita huyo.
What are you doing?
You want we agreed to take it. Was late. What are you quick? One
Cool down.
Hey! Chicken! Cool down. What the hell is happening? Stand down. Let me say what's with you. I'm sure you. I said, can someone explain this? I'm giving you two options. The first one, you leave my man alone because I don't share my man. The second, you fuck off. And you choose the second. Oh, you.
Cool down, baby.
Please, okay,
we will go. Baby. I'm sorry.
Don't touch me!
I'm sorry.
Don't touch me!
I'm sorry, baby. Please. Basi nimekuambia jamaa ngufuna usokoneza zitu zenyu wani. But for sure iwe ndo wangu.
I'm not a fool. After all I've done for you.
Singekumuthi wami noje please sis. Iwe ndo weka mina uli wangu.
After all I've done for you. Betrayal, shame, and disappointment is what you bring to me now.
Baby.
No, don't touch me. Just leave me alone. Can you tell me what to do?
You always give me the best.
No.
But please, forgive me at once. Singekumuthi wami. I really loved you. And nothing else.
What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this? Oh, this while you didn't tell me that you're HIV positive. Oh, I'm done. I'm just done. I'm done. What do I do?
Baby, it's so strange. But let me tell you, it doesn't mean it's the end of the world.
No.
Look at me.
To me, it is. It is.
As far as I am, it doesn't mean it's the end of the world.
Thank you. I've tried to be faithful to you.
But don't worry, baby.
Oh, what a punishment.
And this can't be win.
No.
It doesn't mean the end of the world. And it doesn't mean the end of your life.
I'm done.
Baby.
I'm done.
Look at me as far as I am. I am a child.
You're done.
No. It's over. No, baby.
It's over. Don't
come on, baby.
Don't touch me.
Baby.
zovuta
zikokobazi
kazi ujaso ndamene iso basi siku cha monde bila phone kumadena umi waso
kwambiri
ndisakhala basi ndabunda rayo ndikaona gogo
takula mukhalo
maso siku lachikwatiri cha mpaka na lero
takula ndakondwa kwa basi ziko mukobazi sopano Chris tathokoza kuti wapeza munthu amayi eti wachita bwino kwambiri masiku ano amafunika munthu kumazisunga kugwizana Wende bwire zuko kwa basi wende buno nitu
ndilipo ntchito zathu za mabizinesi abale kuuzani koma ndapeza
amene mwadalula mabira bwanji kumasajenda kwenda mumpa
ineyo nde naphikira chakudya chokoma chimene wamakonda kuti ndabweresere ngati sindinayimbe pano mafuna ndapange surprise pano nde ndadikira ndayimbe ndakusolale kutiko asaye nditu koma ndapeza mwanisanga sindimadapeni bana ndifuna Chris
otokapo mabirangulanti umalisajenda akazawo sona wawanilirapo
akazawo
akazawo
ndiye bwetoya
anangolisajenda muna bana basabwera
abwera
abwera
nthawi yanji ndimene ndikufunsa ineyo ndifunsa kuti abwera nthawi yanji iwo ndifunsa nthawi imene akubwera
nthawi iyo ndesindubizwa koma abwera kana lisajenda
mwaswera naswera ani mkazi wa Chris excuse me akuti ndiwe mkazi wa Chris ndimene ndikufunsa ineyo osati mkazi jabi why that's what they quarantine it is okay wanji
alikhane tamasukana
badi nena mufuna
makufusa basi nanga umvuyo komunesi kwa jana
ndanyafisa
ndikuoneka
inavuga mayangana ngo ndanyafisa ubona bakuti wa Chris ineyo ndanyafisa nkobe
imafuna chito
ubona lokuza kintu okusira nchira
imemubonekera ndime muvangiro kamukwana basinti kuna
ndiwosalira moyo wawe oza kusira nchira monenga imene ndimonekeremo ndifuna nchira ndiboneka longa
boneka lili mulini nkani tamasukani
ni masuki okay ni masuki ni masuki
tamasukani mesa ndozo tu masuki
ukufunza are you sure ni masuki
masukani
okay ni masuki ni masuki Chris mwana wanga ina mpregnant for him
leo kuna mwasili mwacho kako kulusa bo zakako kesi kwa munanga ndicho mwana zoli amunanga Chris mamuna wanga
point of correction. Amuna atu. Ako basani niyo mimba. Ingomba zunguye mure. Ini mo kweta babeneja. Yeah, that's very good. Okay. Ina sana badala zote ya Mungu. Mimi mbonelera mwingine sikali bali. Ndi mimba ya Chris. So kangana ndi. Ini simala ngana. Chris, mama wanda. Munyamuke ya mutibida. Kuno ndo office. Ndiye. Mwana naye. Ndio munyamuke Chris kama mwana yako. Ndipo hivyo uje sio yule sasa kama ni Chris kuna kwa. Sasa elekeza. Ndipo so uli. Don't care. What you say that again. Ndipo pita. Okay? That one I am the wife. And you are nothing but a prostitute. Okay, prostitute. How come you come here claiming kuli mamuna wao basami? Mamuna wanga wao basami. I'm not. It's not even a claim. Nyama gani mziki? Unabasa nule mwanga hapa. Ule mwanja wasio celebrate. Guleso. Iye gule ineso gule. Gule plus gule. Ani nyama gule. Ani gani mziki? Nyama gani mziki? Usandikaje? Nikutoa sasa. Usandikaje? Unataka. Ukunyelela. Awa ni matera. Awa ni matera. Dada sinaba ni msukani. Uli bandine ni nyama gani mzibita? Nyama gani mzibita? You don't matter who you are. People like you are nothing but a distraction. Oh, now get out of this place. Before I lose my thing. Get out. Get out. Nyama gani mzibita? Nyama gani mzibita? Nyama gani mzibita? Mama. Hakuna napa kana kuna nini? Nyama gani mzibita? Stupid. Ujue mimi ni yeye. Ndamasuka ndakumasukira mafana kumasukira ndamasuka. How can Chris do this to me? How can he? Mabala akazanga nini? Ikaw mana ya nyumba leo. Wasanga hule hichi. Msakanga si mugutiwa. I don't pretend with me. Mugule pesa? Munalenga hule mwaliba samimba. Mugundifuna sene bakomo bano?
Obeleka mimba.
Mugundifuna bakomo bano kabena ai. It's clear kuti mugundifuna. Kadenga ni hule lowe nyumba. Inende kunyama kwanu wanga dumali. Kumemuna kandidenga ndupita kumema. Ndini makolo wanga rubati. Ndindi kwati. Suna ndole bazalani.
Fanya tuna ndole kundipiga nyumba tukale kwa
What is there to talk about? What is there to talk about, Chris?
Wewe shauti.
Ukotiwa. Nilikuwa ndima basi. For what?
I know nothing about that.
You have done completely nonsense. This is what you deserve. Okay?
Okay, a minute. My dear, a minute. I just want to talk to you.
I have done every single thing a wife is supposed to do to her husband. And this is the way you pay me back.
My dear, let's go inside.
No, I am not going. Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? I'm going. I'm leaving.
Honey, a minute.
Just one there.
Now, expand handbag kuma kwa mwino umeneko.
Ama ine banja nenda alilipera.
Alilepera so banja.
Tunabanda Chris.
Chris watani Chris.
Ama ikisablega nipa kule.
Chris wapeleke mimba kwa kule kupata banka bosi bomba ndo rudira bosi bomba nonena zona. Oli wasigagale tenga zintu zako zogalo enyumba. Ine ndubira kwa bempera ndajeba.
done for you to love me? For me to deserve amazing grace. Who am I that you are mindful of me? Wherever I go, you're my friend. What have I done for you to love me?
Hey, Bobo. Serious? Come on, try to remember. Jog up your memory.
Serious.
Oh.
And
Okay.
seems doesn't be Danny,
Oh yeah.
Madani.
Oh, Millicent. Yeah, Millicent. You know that's what they call me, my girl. And if you wanna put it short, you can call me Mimi. It's fine with me.
Mimi.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
So,
what my friends call me.
did you fire any? Okay.
So, yeah. So I mean, yeah. And they open the one now. Can I have your number?
My number.
Give me a number.
Number yanga memory nazazi. Kumasi number yanga simabereka kufanzi yoti sindidziwa.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I mean, not for number nazazi. Then you can give me your number. And I'll be the one hollering at you. Know what I mean? Come on, we are going to be friends like this. We'll talk, and maybe close. We can be more. Yeah. So your number? Or don't you got a phone? I can buy you one. It's no problem.
I don't know my
Should
number.
I buy you one?
I don't know my number.
No, should I buy you one? I mean, it's totally fine. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. You know, it is something I'm going to do. You know,
But let me talk seriously. Number and I don't know.
Okay.
But it's okay. I think it's Zabi.
Yeah, come on, I think we didn't go back and bring and don't flash it. Then any kind of number, when they got soon, I always go back and flash it. Then in any way, safer. Then this is done. I'll talk to you and just dial my number.
That's what I mean. That's what I mean.
Oh, especially when I dial number, I'm so very busy.
I'm really sorry. Understand? You hear me?
Come on, this is no big deal. Hey, Chris, I'm not going to get you. I'm so for you, eh? I'm not going to see this.
Again, your name?
Millicent, Mimi in short. Yeah.
Millicent, Mimi in short. Okay, I think we talk later. Right now, bye.
You sure about that?
Why not?
You're gonna holler at me? There's no problem with the number of Woody communication.
See you.
Chris!
Hello.
I want some money. Chris,
let me tell you. Nthawi imene chamene munalire muja ndikanakhaza ndinakuuza mmene strike yalili suka na mpesa ukanazo nanga ndikuchitira nsanje. That's why I said I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Iwe ndine ubesina chokenda ukutiwa the way I was.
I'm really sorry.
Ine abantu papana tutishoni kare ngimadenda.
I'm really sorry.
Apesa za kukululukira ndugu, apesa za kukululukira queen. Chipa wewe nalikuwa you could have saved me. Apesa za kukululukira, trust me. Sinufuna za kwana samu ya mwanga. Sinufuna za kwana za kukusaidia wewe.
Kumverere zote nditu walangirira nyumba mwaye mwena ali mulamu wayo.
Somukamana kuti yemwe anali mulamu wako.
Okay. Sister wakwe nyumba munalaza kwa 2 weeks ago. Nikamwimbira phone Sunday. Even text Sunday.
Mudakoni? Kwenye kweli jina la pika kuti sister wanga apike sasa zote nyumba muna kuchoka. Chinali chana. Na ngakuchoka. Watenga jani kijani kwa zinthu zona zimongo. Akazena kamata kuchoka kwa mapezo na asisa tena. Mbele majoka inuyo mulamu muli. Nali kuchito kupera kungu. Naka anapanga modana nenda mutani.
Chinthu choyamba sinthu zonse ndikuchitika chani. Zinthu zonse ndikuwamva zotani ogumana nzotani zimene zamupangisa zoti.
Lezo yo sister wanga.
Chifukwa sinthu zachomita pulani. I don't know.
I'm understanding you. So, depending about it, Neo sister wanga kumana naye. Munaso maiso kambina iziwanda swita kuti mulamu anachitana. Alipono zira izi.
Kuna wadi.
What are you doing? Just when it's a real. But no number zero, and I said, 2 years ago now. Not for a garden. I have a house.
Wait. It's now 2 years of being children.
Yeah.
Hari modo mama yagamba message yagamba. Hari modo yagamba nyumba yagamba. And right now you're planning kudu kuna kuwacha. I think modo wako mpira. Do you think modo wako mpira?
Why not?
Nyumba yagamba.
Yeah, that's time.
Wait, dude. I know you well.
Yes, please, I can get you. But that minute, then the matter of what the so it's called. Things I can see, 1, 2, new one, 3, man, drama, as of now, I have good sleep. Think I'm the best in the done within the 1 year.
Was this meeting that you're doing?
No.
Wait. Dude, of course ukugwira ntchito komano soko nathamangira banja. Do you hear me? Soko nathamangira banja. Umpesesa chiyamba unenera uonesese zoti wapanga yani. Of course abanomba ukugwira ntchito 2 years koma pa 2 years amene palibe chicho sichimwa panga. Gali moto imene ukunyadira ndi ya kampani. Do you get me? Nyumba imene ukunyadira panopayo ndi ya kampani. Do you think ukatenge mkazi uzikana mkazi wapeza kale?
What can I do? Cause
Mister,
yeah.
Tell me, mkazi wapeza kale?
Yeah?
My friend, let me tell you.
And as of now, we are planning to have a wedding. This coming December. Imagine.
Ada, chintu chimene ndifuna kufotokoza pano panchofunikira kwambiri ende uzichiziwa. Mbesesa.
What is it?
You know, atsikana lero mumapulenda, you hear me? When there's a play, even boys are playing. You hear me? And panopa kupeza munthu woti modalirika nzofuda. You do hear me? Do you hear me?
She loves me. She can play with me.
Let me tell you.
I've tested her.
Aliyira lafasa obangira zibwana iwe ekifamu ensuuziyo bambase mbezisa kuno kufuza asigana ambiri panopo byazodi anayuzidwa kalikale ndikuza serious ndasigana ochepa ndikuza kamba zoleti ewe I know you well. You hear me? Ndasigana ochepa amene amakandi chisankho cholo muza mamuna zoda say Just wait.
All those I know.
All those you know.
I
So why doing this? Why doing this? Zosezo is nothing. Zosezo is nothing.
What can I do?
Let me tell you. Choyamba wapeza mkazi eti. Elisuka na nduza mkazi utampeza gari. Unaenda kupasa. Kama ngati wampesa, ngati muna yambana gari, pidirizana. Kama ngati muna yambani, utenge gari. Go to the hospital. You might get a test your blood. If you love your life. If you love your life.
Hey.
Yose nduza mvakula libanzi. Mna.
Kodi nyakuponya ne bali ngani mimi.
Bwana Yesu.
Amesana kuzeni.
Ile ngo ya mama liti.
2 weeks ba.
Masela libo uma.
Alipo.
Ne muda bwera na kwanza nasene.
Kodi lokane muda imba rumo.
Sire.
Iyo nga kubori Kristo jamena ali Kristo bemba monyana. Bano kabeleka mimba kwa kumwe.
Oh.
I was shocked, mother. Before that, I was shocked. I couldn't believe it.
Are you serious?
Hey, I need to go to the Montasa. Has Raine? And the Maraiba.
Okay, ngoja ndio nieleze mnaniambia.
Inaweza nami. Ntendele uli ningamana ngine matenga phone kuma ibira ali kwa chinga chako. Ndi mazo uli iza we muzamba beba. Nani mwana ndalama?
Ndema bwera.
Ndabwera hapo hivi.
Mzikala kuno.
Nangani bidagwali khala bombu.
Azinge mwenyewe ndo musewele sabanja. Kama lazima banja utumbo kufunira huko.
Bro, unafaza bezo sasa.
Ndoza. Ubiza assistant. Asema. Tandike ya nani wozi. Usiendese banja kwa skulu. Usiendese banja ni ndama. Usiendese banja ndijiri kiwesa ulizo brazi nazo. Banja mtao ni mkudu bije wewe wote zote asigana. Azwani malegezi. Atani. Akusoa banja. Niye wetu banja unalipeza. Nyamata upuzira bwino. Lero kuzo
I can't believe this. Mwai bakani yo?
Sisi nani? Sisi ni gani sana?
Ndangula kuti anapeleka mimba kwa hule osalishi kwenu zile vya bunguja kazika koma muntu ni hule.
Okay, mnaita kwa banja na kufikira gai. Bado banja kudilize, zidi mangu utajisawa. Banja pafika sasa kuti banja laka. Kama kazi tu. Kodi?
Kama kwa neno ndela kabisa.
Zidi banja laka. Yesu ukuna. Eka.
Ama
Ashumeni mabele.
Nai.
Masera bo. Takupa wani hivi.
Nifanya kenda mwela.
Ndio wapi kubera wani.
Ndio ngondana. Kama mbona kuna mama?
Hapo ni wapi ndo gari nyo?
Kisebangono. Kumano, basi. Sisi tunaona bauduru ga ndaloa, sisi zibuduru ya uunga. Abwera sio mbao.
Tangu pene mwenye wake.
Kumano wewe, ndio kukusana ni kwa nini kwangu wewe? Manene muma na nyumba yangu. Tabu nilipoje nini?
Inaso nila bwela kuna mai wafa naona kali kuna. Ndio note mungu tena ngati neona ma sunzori chimemi kuna kwani.
Bayo digira nasema no chipando mbage sawa mali zakasiria. Banja luma akumali tenga ngati muna chibyo sewe kwa ndio ndio ndio. Bali ndiko majivozo kwazo ndizoona na ndizomveka nanga umboni ndo wanje kuti mwamuna ayo wapanga zimena mali kwama nduzo ngati kama mwamuna ayo wabereka mimba kwa hule ndezani zomwe mazona ngati ndizoti muna ngofeka kuti ndio ndio.
Kodi nyo mwandizi waliro ndika kuko.
Kodi rubanji banja.
Ino mwandizi waliro.
Sisi.
Sila kwa mwanzo nyumba mu.
Sobano.
Ndio ndika kukusitendeleero.
Utangopeka.
Kupeka nkani za banja.
Utatoka.
Wanje sisi nyambeka ndo banga shiko.
Ivanzi kufura ndikuli malo ngona kuti kubaso kwa
Wanje sisi nyambeka ndo banga shiko. Ya ile sima sisi kuzirola enda pita.
Achimwene kazi mtima mpasi. Zimene mwana nao. zimene mwanenazo kuti mwayitanisa kuti abwere timve kuti chinachitika ndi chani pati tidamumva mbali imodzi yokha kulikuti timve mbali zonse kuti chinachitika makamaka ndi chani
Unaona uyini samusekerere kuti ndizisunga pakombani.
ayi musamusekerere
Honey. My dear. Come. My dear.
I'm coming.
Okay.
What is it? Now, I was checking on the flowers.
This is what you like. This is what you like. No.
Stop pretending to be a happy couple, Chris. Come on, give it to me. Thanks. What do you want?
Why that question?
You know, I can forgive you for what you did, but I will never forget that.
Why?
Because I'm a human being.
My dear, stay away from that point. It what? My dear.
What is it?
So, ukamanji kuira. Ukazoti ndindana mena zamvese moyo wangu woma.
You brought misery to yourself, Chris. Okay? Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying to forget it. I'm trying so hard, but I just can't. Why did you call me?
Mama,
Okay.
please.
No,
come.
I don't have time.
What I do?
Come
What
on,
I do?
I can't.
Honey,
What?
come back. Honey. Mama.
What?
My dear, uzimvesesa muntu akamakuyankhula. Uzikwanisa kusiyanisa pakati pa m'bale wako, brother wako ndi mwamuna wako. Do you hear me?
My brother
I'm
would
always-
never treat me like this.
I know. Nkhani ikakambidwa izitha. Kodi uzakhala mpaka naliti kudatira makolo. Pang'ono-ng'ono wapita kwa mami. Pang'ono-ng'ono uganiza zoti tizikhala moyo utani. Imagine pompano milandu yake ija yoti uzimvesesa munthu akamayankhula nayo. Kodi zakhala basi banja life ile zingokhalira nkhoso. Kodi nkhoso inawonso andizambizo kuti akhoso nachita.
Kodi zimene wapanga iweyozi ndinakhala ndinapanga ndineyo. Unakanditengabe
You're a
mkazi
human
wako?
being, you're a human being.
Unakanditenga ndikabe mkazi wako?
Why not?
Are you serious?
My dear, but I think you know. Inangokha mistake jabe.
And you always
I'm
put that
always
blame on
loving
me.
you. I'm always loving you.
I do.
It will never happen again.
Just forgive
I
me.
promise
sometimes.
me.
Yeah.
I know broken heart has no spare parts, my dear. I'm always loving you. Do you hear me? Honey, do you hear me? I love you so much. Believe me. I'll never break your heart. It's one of Mama. Manje kancha umjile ngwese. Ya house ni ngwese. Chifa koberaso ako office store. Sino kubiranga ndefiro nyumba. Yeah. Okay. Jamwe. Okay. Ndio uzali ndicho. Jamwe jamwe.
ubwino wasukulu nduti ndumene balakuzani kuti pazikono la pansi choyamba kuopa mulungu
Yeah.
kachiwiri kulimbikira sukulu kumvera makolo
I think he
koma iziko kwambiri lese ndikagona nditolera
Komano
sukulu
Chito mapanga mamalizo.
Esa. Mambo panga maruwa pachapati. Ndio mabaya. Mapoteleza ninakuja maruwa bwana.
Bambo wa mugwaziwa. Amyanga. Chika dolini.
Ndi student wanga.
Ndi student wanu yes.
Ali
Amnyanganya.
Ali for.
Siri unabora ije ndoli. Suya nabora kunyumba kula mene sana fika kunyumba. Kula mene. Amagachira okuzisika mene. Asa nabwere pano. Anakhala pomwe anamba kula mpuzisa. Wambiri ndikumuzi wa mene. Iwe ndi mwana mwange. Manonda dama kuti suna vile kumalira.
Maliro. Maliro anda.
Nzatu yo Spike.
You mean Spike wa Malira?
Ana Malira.
Amadola yani.
Akuti positive. Chayo positive. Ndifo cha nasiya mapereka malangizo akupeza kuti munthu uli positive. Politika chirombo kuyambitsa matenda ayesi kuchipatala mapereka malangizo kuti zikakhala choncho usadumphise kumwa mangwana ma ARVs uzimwa ndithu mmene akuwuzira ndondomeko komanso kudya zakudya zimene akuwuza kuti uzitane uzidya ndenzathuyo Spaki basi mayala vya jana siya kumwa ati anapeza ndithu kuseri kwa biro
opeza madolo kotala
mwene kunde sina tikufufuza mwabuno kuti zinakhala bwanji kumati mayala viwo apezeka ali kuseri kwa biro ambirimbiri for example malangizo amene anamuuza chifanamuza kuti mwina azikakhautira kukhala mwina ndi munthu wamkazi azitha kuvala kondomu kuti asachulukise tizilombo nthupi masapeza kuti iye uchabe sakusamala akungogona ndi atsikana mosaziteteza mwachisawawa ndi Spaki ndithu maliro ake sotayika kale kulekweneyo maso anga anati munamwabwera ndikupeza zimuyo simunabwere
zamaliro sindinamva ndinakamva ndinakabwera because anali nzanga komanso zoti anali positive ndi madziwa moti chokufundisa ndiyoti zimakhala zombesa chisoni kumwamba ivi nozoka pasi achinyamata tikamamwalira chilo chimwe ndikhulupira zoti azesa chiopsezo kwa chinyamata azimayi aliyense mdziko lapansi because
musade kuziko lapansi ineli koma ndiona kuti akapumena sama maziwa amwene
ndasana ndikutanthauza ndikuyankhuza zoti ngati kumapumidwa akapume ngati sikupumidwa zintchito zake zikanchitirombo apita mnyumba kuno mwina timangonana kuntchito kucha
Sawa.
awanda gogo anga
Mwaso banji sana.
ine ndaswera.
Andaswera.
Kaino.
Andaswera.
Ndatokoza.
Agogo amanena zoti ndino bambo anga. So I'm very confused and I don't know which is which. That's why we call you here. So I don't know. I think muyankweza mbili ndino agogo.
Mandikumbukira ngati.
Ai bwana.
Okay.
Bambo namatauna napo.
Ino simnagire ponchito mboma.
Kufunzisi.
Kufunzisi.
I was a teacher.
I'm shocked because our children are left. And mena mabwera ku office yathu nga akuza kufunsira ntchito. Amakamba zoti sanagwirepo ntchito malo ena ali onse.
Chris.
Komanso munakamba zoti
awaziwe za chibwana chawo achiziwe. Chibwana chawo achiziwe.
And right now I'm shocked. Mene ndikumva zoti
Ya sasa kwa somo mkuzinguziwa. Yeye naliphunzisa.
Oh yo.
Koma amwina nalibe certificate.
Unabe certificate zina
Amwina mwaje.
Zinamba zachitika hapo zimene.
Yakwata masuku la
kwa sisi pakana ngati inde munotuphola.
Sikwata.
Ndiye mngudija ngaye.
Mudabwera ku office munanena zoti your nephew Adamson.
Sa.
Ntakuuzani zoti lembani zina lanu apa ntchito mwaiyamba. Munango vina. Munakanika kulemba munanena zoti kulemba simuta. Munango jinda.
Sa.
And right now wagogo kunena zoti ndino Mr. Munyang'anya. And magwira ntchito ngati phunzisi.
Yes, akulu amene wawo. Ndikambwa.
You mean agogo?
Mkulu wewe ndikambwa amene. Ndi Munyang'anya atu amene zinachi. Mwana wanga utazilowerera ndi chifukwa chake. Inuyo mwana wanga anapa munamonongera sogolo.
Kubera ndusiri.
Oh, kabwera ndusiri?
Yera kula ndusiri.
Okay. Uha chose mazimu makola nkugwe.
Chabuno.
Pompano.
Chabuno.
Yeah.
Tukuza.
Agogo.
Zili basa kuti ndi ipidu.
Agogo, a minute.
Umwana ngasinga kupeza. Tawo nyengo ngono ngati besinga kupeza weyo. Ndakupeza. Ndikuzalowa. Sifuso sino ndifusa ababaliso. Ndesa nthawe yanga mpaka kale pasinga kutopa. Ndikuzalowa. Banja. Ndikuzakhala. Mwana wanga sanga badule babachira ise wanga. Bambo yake alipo.
I'm sorry.
Mwana wanga sanga badule bachire ndipo kunama. Ndisefa ya. Chifukwa chani? Ndisefa ya. Litsike voice langa chifukwa chani nduzi weyo. Kanjiba sempani fani luse.
Wabero zaka mbana.
Ndikuzalo odi fani luse.
Uzalo wewe kuti.
Kunyumba kuno kumanya babambo aga mwana wangu usanikwira ndikakaye ndikuze inesi no pepe kama
tabira tika
ndikia ndikupe chimoti boss inesi no pepe kama
you need cash.
I don't need cash.
So what do you want from me?
Mwana wanga atabadwe pa nyumba pa bambo wake Sindienda wapansi, mapita kusikelo. Mimba hiki magari moja sasa kompana ukunama tu wewe. Unataka nini ndani? Unataka nini nayo? Odi kwa duse, usajipide. Usajipide kwa duse odi. Pangona unafanya. Pangona fanya ndio wanga chani. Ndabo ya kwa bago ndizakhala. Full stop. Why do this? Kaya jani ndikufuna iweyo. Nikawawili.
Gari man. Gari.
Doli. Funa kukuona soya. Tugwiza. Iwe si mwana wanga sokuyambira le. Uzipita kwa munyang'anya wako yemwe wamva.
Tati.
Tati ndikani.
Atati musaje nyimbo kwa mfiti ngajimene kuno. Uyipa muntu uyipa menye ya dadi.
Please. Tende kakhale. Iya.
Ija.
Awuzalani kurwa. Awuzalani kurwa. Iya bra belele. Asipita. Iya. Awa asipita. Iya, Chris awuzalani awo. Unyinyi. Inu awuzalani ku. Unyinyi asipita. Iya, ija mkazipita. Ah, awuzalani.
Takakani kai.
Uyundi hure.
Tubuza iya.
Uyundi hure. Baba kumbana.
Takakani kai. Takaka iya kakali no.
Iya, anamuka.
Mai takakani.
Awa anamuka asipita.
Iya takakani hapo mai. Muni vere ne. Takakani hapo.
Nyumba ya Chris nyumba yako. Ulibola mnyondi wondifuse ndo zangani.
Iwe usadira kule wako.
Atia.
Ndinatese
Atia, please.
Iwe Nufanga shani, ukunifuza kutoka wewe. Nufanga shani. Akoko kani mwizi wa ndani ya shirika.
Yeah, ila kani pen. Don't ni very nene.
Matia.
Ninakuuza.
Matia, why doing this?
Ukuchapa mbale, ina ndikupika. Iwe kuchapa, ina ndikusita.
Matia.
Iwe ni kale legend. Wamva.
Sasa ukipinda, ina ndikolopa. Umona ndalibona. Mimba mwa munanga mwa.
I'm not your dear. I am not your dear at this moment. I will tell you now. Nana wako zakara kumubano. Ileni kunyamu kumubabida.
Cool. Why do this?
Amena azipita msena azipita. Ine mamuna nge ndisa mara.
Dakala pe. Unive. Dakala pe. Omuntu waje bwana. Dakala pe.
Omuntu waje kutiwa.
Dakala pe da duzini vera ine. Kachirika ndiyani. Dakala pe. Mamuna tasamana ndiye uzi.
Uliona atatu.
Chifugwa.
Atatu ondoa na ngapi ine mamuna amenya yoyo.
Wakono ndo.
Wandiwa samimba.
Opasa mimba.
Wandiwa samimba ne mamuna amenya yoyo.
Oyo kumbukira.
Andi basamimba ne mamuna amenya yoyo.
Oyo gunzio. Ukunkumbukira wegunzio.
Ndulana uyu Chris.
Ajamba ndiabe uyo. Uyo kugunziwa uyoyo. Uyo kunkumbukira we. Munyang'anya.
I am a teacher. Ndikupasa ndirama papompano pachi ukachosise mimba. I'm going.
Inu mukunama. Mukunama. Ukachosisa mimba.
Sikuza ndinokwatira. I'm married and I love my wife. And I've got kids.
Ndikaba ntawiriri.
Kachose mimba.
Simukachosisa mimba. Ndikapitani yake. Ya mimba.
Uyo ndani uyo kunkumbukira. Iwe ugunziwa.
Aisa, no sir.
Usajira uje niya. Ukunkumbukira.
Aisa.
Atati na mfuni simafuna wiku. Dosi ni mafuna kukumbuka sasa. Sisi kufuna sasa kukumbuka sasa pitinga.
Chifukwa cha taulu. Nanena, chifukwa chani.
Wapesa wa moyo wangu.
Iwe. Ukukumbukira.
Doni?
Umakana jani sopano. Umakana jani iwe.
Wapesa wa moyo wangu neyo.
Umakana jani.
Kumana nayo so hii.
Bano bali jipiki kifanya iwe.
Zukara kwa njifini simafuna kumana nayo.
Iwe yo bano bali kimpwiri kipi kifanya iwe yo.
Akoko.
Antu bano akusokwaneza kifanya iwe.
Inyo simafuna kumana nayo. Tatati. Anano nongesogola bambawa ine batati.
Ujeni.
Ano nongesogola bamba wasi basi ningaona.
Ujeni iwe ndoli dakala. Mwana wako unataka ujalundu. Nani huyo kunkumbukira?
No.
No.
You mean she's my mom? You mean she's my mom?
Sit down.
Doreen!
Zaninyasa kwambiri.
My son, don't worry.
Calma panopo tie. Calma panopo. Ine za calma panopo.
Ai, ina mwana kufa.
Iya, usafiri calma panopo.
Doreen!
Kalana. Mtongo. Bani tudaita na nyumba ikati mtongo wa mawaza. Mano kusisi wino.
Doctor.
Ma limba ni timu. Zima jidika ndi tumene dukale moyo wa bazibula basi.
Tavuta jando.
Maya chola disiyo. Ndi tunaesesa ndi tudi musa moyo wa kubanza.
Basi ndizwa mwana.
Mbani mtima maana sugulide. Rumari mbani mtima.
So, I go to Nagamana What? Agogo, why my mommy? Why?
Zachitika zote basi.
Chris, olakusendine.
Maza kadeka Saulo leka.
My mom is the kid.
Chris. Kurukia abandi bako wako. Maza akataika Saulo leka.
My kid and the mom. Chris. Ndikurukia.
Maza kadeka Saulo.
Chris. Ndikukondinewe babu wako.
Maza kadeka Saulo.
Chris.